When an aircraft arrives, respect the unloading order. When unloading, it is essential to respect the procedures, especially the unloading order.
The aircraft hasn't arrived yet, and it's supposed to leave in 15 minutes. We'll have to hurry.
Ah, at last.
But confusing speed with haste can cause material damage and endanger the ground crew.
No time to wait for him to move away. Start with the front.
Not respecting the unloading order can unbalance the aircraft and lead to its tipping, as was the case for this MD-11 after an anticipated offloading of the forward hold. To avoid this type of damage, it is important to respect 4 rules. Carry out a briefing before the arrival of the aircraft to recall the unloading priorities. Always unload the aft hold first or according to the planned unloading order.
The aircraft hasn't arrived yet, and it's supposed to leave in 15 minutes.
Unload just the 2 priority containers at the front, then the aft.
Pay attention to variations in the aircraft level. If an anomaly is detected, immediately stop the ongoing operation. Lay the ground for a safe flight.